Come on, guys. You guys know how to swim? Because we need to swim. Oh my gosh. Oh, zombies. Die now. You got no time for that. Take this. Okay, good boy, good boy. Come on, let's go, boys. Wait for another one. Come on. Good boy. Come on, let's go. You need to go to that castle. So yeah. Come on, boys. Why you guys are so slow? Let me run. Oh my gosh. Take this. Take this. And this again. And this. And this. You like that, huh? Alright, come on, boys. Thundercracker, come. Whoa. You are thunder. Come on, boys. Get inside. Come on, get inside. Get inside, boys. You guys doesn't like to do this, huh? Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna break this thing. I don't need that iron door. It's quite hard. So hard to break it. This is gonna take more than an hour. It's like 2 hours or something. Why is it so slow? Okay then. Come on, boys. Boys. Sit. 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 Good. Now you can stay. Let's go. Let's go up, boys. Buckle up. Only one? Where's Cracker? Oh, there it is. Okay, good job, boys. I'm gonna put the dirt over here and the jukebox over here so they can't go anywhere. Let's play a song, guys. You guys can stay here anywhere. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Yes, good. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna start. So this is the castle that I've been looking for, guys. So yeah, that's all for my review of Minecraft. So this is Thundercracker signing out. Peace.